Here's how to convert M4A to OGG audio. I'm going to call it OGG from here on out because I think that's fun. So I've got a sample M4A right here, and I can just click and drag it into ConvertSave, this file converter I built with my brother, who is a software developer, and it does images, video, and audio conversions offline on your desktop. So you drag, drop, select your output, OGG, OGG. I said I was going to call it OGG, right? Convert, and then save. And so that's as simple as it gets. Drag in your file, image, video, audio, select your output, convert, save. I hope you guys find this as useful as I do. Check it out in the link in the description, or just go to convertsave.com. It is an alternative to Googling and going to random websites, uploading your files to who knows what server, only being able to batch convert a couple at a time, downloading, and then having to figure out where to organize them, right? Now you can just find them on your computer, drag them in, convert, save. It goes right back where they go. And so it saves me a lot of time. It's a cool part of my workflow. Not a cool part, that's a weird way to put that. It's just a nice time saver within my workflow. It makes things more efficient. Also, we have this advanced options tab here where you can actually save your own custom commands per conversion, and it gives you even more opportunity to add a lot of customization to your conversions. If you want to change the volume of the audio, for instance, you can add a parameter in for that. And I have this options builder here where I can go in here and actually see all of those potential things, like trimming the audio, adjusting metadata, doing some different things like that, changing audio channels or pulling from certain audio channels, etc. And it generates the custom command for you. You just apply it, and then now you have your own custom conversion command that's going to be for this conversion, or you can keep it and just drag, drop, and convert with your own custom conversions based on M4A to OGG. And that works for images, video, frame rate, resolution, images. We got resizing, cropping. We've got turning it black and white or doing other image effects on it. So there's a lot of stuff in here that you can do while you're converting. And you can even go from the same file type to the same file type. You got let's say you have an M4A file or an OGG file that you want to adjust the volume of, and that's it. You just want to make it louder. Drag, drop, custom command, volume, turn it up a little bit, convert. It's as simple as that. Hopefully, it is something that you guys see value in and want to go check out. Let me know if you do in the comments down below. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate your support. And I'll see you in the next one.